This fight between Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and Deputy CM DK Shiv Kumar seems to have come to a point of no return. The latest trigger has been the grouping of SC and ST MLAs at the behest of Siddaramaiah against DK Shiv Kumar. Only a few days back, Siddaramaiah had dinner with his cabinet colleagues belonging to SC and ST communities. The timing of the dinner meeting was intentionally kept when Deputy CM Shiv Kumar was in Turkey with his family for New Year celebrations. The participants at the dinner meet spent most of the time expressing their displeasure over the working of Deputy CM DK Shiv Kumar. Satish Jarkhioli, a tribal and one of the close confidants of CM, even raised the issue of the Deputy CM completely sidelining him during the recent Belgavi session. And if that was not enough, G. Parmeshwara, another Dalit minister and a close aide of CM Siddaramaiah, yet again sent invitation to party leaders belonging to SC and ST communities for another dinner meet scheduled for today, that is January 8th, but had to cancel at the last moment due to intervention of Randeep Surjewala, AICC in charge of Karnataka, who was asked by senior party leader KC Venugopal to ensure that the meeting does not take place. Significantly, Deputy CM DK Shiv Kumar had taken strong exception to these meetings. Sources revealed that he had told KC Venugopal about these meetings being done at patronage of Siddaramaiah in order to corner him. But intriguingly, these meetings are not routine. They are being done at the behest of Siddaramaiah as part of the cleverly crafted strategy. One needs to go back to understand the power tussle going on between the incumbent CM Siddaramaiah and Shiv Kumar since the day Congress came to the helm of affairs in this southern state. Sources reveal a possible power-sharing agreement between Siddaramaiah and Shiv Kumar when Congress rose to power in Karnataka in May 2023. Though not officially announced, but both had then agreed to the rotational Chief Minister formula. If it's true, then Siddaramaiah will have to step down in near future and hand over the mantle to Shiv Kumar, a shrewd politician. Siddaramaiah will not adhere to it easily and has already started promoting groupism within the party. The Karnataka caste census report is another bone of contention between the two. The report is yet to come up for discussion in the cabinet despite the State Commission for Backward Classes submitting it in February last year. The dominant castes like Vokaliga and Lingayats are opposing the report. The two communities hold immense clout in Karnataka politics fear getting sidelined once the findings of the report are made public. Himself a Vokaliga, DK Shiv Kumar has termed the report as unscientific and not properly done. Sources reveal that he personally does not want the report to be made public, but CM Siddaramaiah and the MLAs backing him wanted to be made public at all cost. The rivalry between Siddaramaiah and DK Shiv Kumar is bound to bring instability in the Congress government. The Grand Old Party, whose political presence is now limited to very few states in the country, is all set to face tough times ahead in Karnataka.